Low DK, Assistant Professor, Department of AI&ML, Rajiv, Institute of Technology, Hassan. Today we discussed about Computer Networks Laboratory, BCS502, Program 3. Okay, this is our Program 3. Implement an Ethernet LAN using N nodes and set multiple traffic nodes and plot conjunction window for different source and destination. This is our third program in your Computer Networks Laboratory. We discussed about program. Firstly, the initialize simulator and trace files. Okay, first you have to initialize simulator and trace files. Initialize simulator and opens .tr files for detailed trace. Okay, and .nam file for network animator called as nam. Okay, next create and configure the nodes. Okay, you have to create the nodes and configure it. Okay, N0 and N2 sources. Source 1, N0, source 1 and N1 is N0 and N1 is sources. Source 1 and source 2, N3 and N5 destinations, destination 2 and destination 1. N4, a central node, act like a LAN or router or switch. N4 act like a LAN, router or switch. Create a LAN. Next, create a LAN and a link. LAN connects nodes N0, N1, N2, N3 and N4. Bandwidth is 50 MB. Delay is 100 milliseconds. Okay, a dedicated link connects node 4 and node 5. Dedicated links connect node 4 and node 5. Bandwidth 1 Mbps. 1 MB. It is a bottleneck. Delay 1 MB milliseconds. 1 millisecond. Next, FTP flow 1 N0. FTP flow N0 to N5. N0 to N5. The TCP agent at N0 sync at N5. FTP sends 500. NTP sends 500 bytes packets at 0.0001 intervals. It is very fast. The traffic flows through the LAN and 1 MB bottleneck. FTP flow to N2 to N3. The TCP agent at N2 sync at N3. Sync at N3. FTP sends 500 bytes. FTP sends 500 bytes packets. FTP sends slightly larger packets, 600 bytes. That this size 600 bytes at slower rate 0.001 seconds. Okay. Also flow through the LAN. This is also flow through the LAN. The trace conjunction. Window size. Logs TCP conjunction window evaluation CWND to file 1.tr and file 2.tr. Sorry, the connect sync 1 file 1.tr and file 2.tr. Okay, useful for analyzing TCP performance, fairness and conjunction handling. Define the finish procedure. Cleans up and start NAM visualizer after simulation ends. After simulation ends, the NAM visualizer will be appeared. Schedule FTP events. This causes overlapping periods of network activity, especially on the LAN and the bottleneck link, useful for analyzing conjunction and conjunction. Run the simulation ends at 16 seconds. Start finishing procedure. Starts finishing procedure. Start finishing procedure. This is our number of packets dropped in this program. This is our simple output of the program. The data will be transferred from source 1 to source 2. Okay, then the destination will be 5 and 3. Okay, these are our simple outputs. Number of data packets dropped in the source 1 and destinations. This is the number of packets will be dropped in this program. This appeared in your screen. Thanks for watching.